Today, we'll learn how to add a multi-product message template in WhatsDiscuss. First, click on WhatsApp Business Account and go to the Message Template section. Here, you'll see all your templates. To search for any template, click on the search icon and search. To add a new template, click on the add icon. Then, select Multi-Product Message Template. Now, enter the name of your template and click on Next. After this, select the template language. Here, we are choosing English, then click on Next. In the header, you can write the product name or any sale information. Then, in the body, write the main content of your message. If you want, you can also add extra information in the footer, but this is optional. After filling in all the details, click on Preview to see your message preview. If everything looks good, click on the Save icon, and your message template will be saved. After this, you can click on this icon to view the template details.